We are gonna build a PC today, so get ready with me. I'm super excited. We're just gonna do just a basic get ready with me. I've been saving up and doing so much research for this for the past like as many years as I've been gaming, I guess, since I was like little. I actually have no idea what I'm doing today, and I'm gonna have my friend Ryan come over and help me along with my boyfriend. That will be really fun. I'm so excited. I always dreamt of building a PC and having one on my own. When I first started playing Minecraft in middle school, I just wanted a computer that could run Minecraft so bad because we only had really old computers, so I couldn't even play on it, and we definitely couldn't afford to buy a brand new computer for me, so I never was able to play. Now I get to have my own PC and I'm really excited. This has been like my dream since I was little. So let's just get ready together to build my dream PC. This box is so heavy, I cannot carry it. But that is a new case that I got. I think it's this one, a white case. We're really building my dream PC. I try to get white parts, and again, this is my first time building it. I do not have any idea what I'm doing. This may even go wrong. This is not a tutorial. This is just for funsies. I have no idea what I'm doing, and I don't want any criticism in my comments if you are like a professional PC builder. This is just for fun. Yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like it would be really fun to vlog this because I feel like there's not a lot of like girls or people that look like me who film stuff like this, so I thought it'd be really fun because it intimidated me when I first tried to like research this, so maybe this will inspire you to do the same. Ta-da! Wow! I got HelloFresh. 50% off DoorDash.
Go, give me that.
You gonna
Alright,
get...
you're discharged.
Really?
Yeah.
You're getting out of silver with this one.
That's gonna go in the bottom though. Whoa.
It doesn't even fit.
You don't want to scrape anything.
Yeah, don't scrape it.
Try not to, but... There you go, that fits.
Don't scrape it.
Here, let's do this first.
Oh my god, why was that just here?
Okay, but it's not closing. Oh my god, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Keep going. You're wasting time.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm surprised this didn't pop off.
It's supposed to?
Mm-hmm.
You alright? Oh.
Oh my god.
We did it! Oh, we did it!
Straight down. Don't be too dainty, just do it.
Wait, is that right though?
Yes, it's right.
Did I push it down?
Yeah, push it down.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Keep it straight. Just keep it straight. Look, you're pushing it this way. Keep it straight.
I'm trying. See?
Oh my god.
It's
Oh
not
my god. Close did one at a time. Nice. And then the other one.
Can I still hold this?
No, you're fine. Just fucking see the other side.
Oh,
Oh my fucking.
what's next?
Where is your seat? With confidence, man. Everything with confidence. Oh my god.
Do not drop anything.
So, oh, I see it. Yeah, it's a little bit up.
Right here.
Yep.
Yeah, whatever.
You push it that way.
Oh, that was nice. That was really nice. I don't know if this is gonna fit on my table. This is so big.
Align the holes, like push this part through that thing.
like brown. That was not the pink that I ordered, right?
That's not even pink, period.
Is this a lighting?
That's the case.
Oh my god, it's so heavy. This is my keyboard. This is what I got. That sounds awesome.
Yeah, you gotta use this as the plug. Plug it in. I think you really like it.
I got it is the Logitech Pro Superlight. Heard a lot of great things about this mouse. Oh my god. Oh, it is very light. It's really light. My mom's trying out the keyboard. 100 words per minute, mom.
Let's go.
Alright. Lower the tip.
Yay!
Wow. Wow, that's actually.
That's not bad,
It's not too
actually.
bad. Yeah, I think it's you don't have.
That's
you don't
actually
have
really
a mouse. Power supply is on.
So it's not turning on. Good morning, guys. As you can tell, I just woke up. I have my celery juice here. We were not able to finish the PC last night because I don't know what I'm doing, so it took a lot longer than I expected. We're gonna continue that today and hopefully finish it up. Also, I didn't realize how big my case was, so I feel like it's not gonna fit on my desk. So I'm gonna have to probably get a new desk too. Alright, moment of truth.
Power supply is on.
So it's not turning on?
Why is it not turning on?
You did it?
We just needed to make the story.
You did it! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, it looks so good! Wow! Oh my gosh, the RAM lights up!
That's all we got.
Oh my god! It's working!
Okay, I'll have to check that too. Can we get food first?
Yes, we can feed
I'm just
it.
glad this finally turned on. When we changed the screw cover on, that feeling.
Wow! Everything lights up! That one's not lighting up!
It's not lighting. It's spinning.
Oh no, yeah, it's spinning.
is spinning.
But it's not lighting up. He's crying. Oh, this looks awesome.
Thank you for not liking bean sprouts.
We did it, guys.
Get leak downloaded.
We're like, why is it one resolution? Desktop.
I drew this,
We didn't-
guys.
Get this.
This is what I did with my new PC.
I gotta sign in first.
Yay, we got it to work and we fixed and edited the cooler. Look at that. That's so awesome. Change it.
That's so cool.
That's so funny. Oh, yup. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I'm so happy with the setup. Again, this is not like my final setup. Clearly, I have so much cable management and decoration that I need to do. I'm just prioritizing the build for now because it took so much longer than I thought. Yeah, I finally have my new dream setup that I've been wanting for so long, and I'm so happy with it. And I did start a new gaming channel, so hopefully I will see you guys there. Bye. Oh, and if you have any insight on how to decorate my gaming station right here, let me know because this is looking terrible and I want your advice. Thanks.